Now, in last session, I described this differentiation in implicit functions. Now, today we will study differentiation that is in log, that is logarithmic differentiation. We know y is equal to x to the power n dy by dx is equal to n x raised to the power n minus 1. Y is equal to a to the power x dy by dx is equal to a to the power x log a. Here n is constant, here a base is constant, x is a function. But what happens when both are variable? I take the example y is equal to x to the power x. In that case, how we have to proceed, or some other example I have to consider. When both base as well as exponent are variable functions. So how will we solve? That will be solved by taking log of both sides. Say y is equal to x to the power x. In first stage I am taking the simple example, taking log of both sides. Taking log of both sides. What we get? Log y is equal to, you are familiar, x log x. Now, treating implicit function, differentiating both sides, what we get? 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, now that is a product to x dy by dx of log x plus log x into 1 dy by dx of x is 1. That is x upon x plus log x. That is 1 plus log x. And what we get? Dy by dx is equal to y times 1 plus log x. Now y is how much? That is x raised to the power x. X to the power x. 1 plus log x is the answer. That is quite simple. There is no problem. We may consider other examples also. When there is a exponent as variable and as well as base is also variable. Say y is equal to x to the power sin x. Again, we may take log of both sides. Now I am directly taking log sin x log x. By differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, differentiation of sin x is cos x. I am writing directly log x plus sin x d by dx of log x, that is 1 upon x. Now dy by dx is equal to y times cos x log x plus 1 upon x. So that is the answer. But we have to write the value of y as we have to differentiate x raised to the power sin x. Y is not given here. It is our assumption that y is equal to x to the power sin x. So putting the value of y, what we get? X to the power sin x into cos x log x plus sin x upon x. The answer. taking another example. Y is equal to log x x log x. Taking log of both sides. Now again we may go through product rule. Now that is differentiation of product of three functions, first, second and third. So by differentiating both sides, what we get? 1 upon y dy by dx. Now you might be knowing, if there are three functions or more functions, what we have to do? Differentiate first function, putting as it is the other functions. That is, differentiation of x is 1 into log x log x plus first function as it is, d by dx of second function, that is log x, and what is differentiation of log x? That is 1 upon x. I am writing directly and keeping third function as it is, plus first two function as it is, and d by dx of log x as that is function of a function, that is composite function. Now that is equal to log x into log x. X cancel x plus log x plus x log x. Now first operator is this, differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon log x. And d by dx of log x. That is log x log x plus log x plus x log x one upon log x, and that is 1 upon x. The whole will cancel out. That is, we may take log x common into log x plus log. Now what we get? dy by dx is equal to y log x into 1 plus log x. Putting the value of y, we will get it log x raised to the power x log x log x 1 plus log x. That's all. Suppose there is another function x to the power 10x plus x to the power cos x, which is to be differentiated with respect to x, or we may say that y is equal to this. We have to find dy by dx. How will we find? There is a quotient. Here there is a quotient. However, in spite of giving quotient, 50% of the students may get faulty. How? Remember that. Don't take log of both sides, as we can't take log in summation form. So what we have to do? We have to assume this is u and this is v. So here u is equal to x to the power 10x and v is equal to x to the power cos x. I am running here. I am writing here. Now y is equal to u plus v. What we get? Dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. In that case, what is to be done? First of all, we have to find du by dx. So u is equal to x raised to the power 10x. Taking log of both sides, log u is equal to 10x log x. Now, differentiating with respect to x both sides, what we get? 1 upon u du by dx is equal to differentiation of 10x, that is sec square x, log x as it is plus 10x as it is and differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x. I have used chain rule, product rule. Then du by dx is equal to u times sec square x log x plus 10x upon x, and putting the value of u, what we get? That is x to the power 10x that is the result of first part. Now we have to find dy by dx, dv by dx. So we may consider v is equal to x to the power cos x. Taking log of both sides, cos x. Again, using product rule, what we get? 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x log x plus cos x as it is d by dx of log x, that is 1 upon x. So what we get? dv by dx is equal to v times minus sin x log x cos x upon x. That is putting the value of v, x raised to the power cos x minus sin x log x plus cos x upon x. By putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx, we may get after summation of these two dy by dx. So we have to consider that we have to assume separately uv. There is another function uvwx. We can't take log of both sides. Now I am taking another example. Say y is equal to x plus 1 raised to the power 3 into 2x square plus 3 raised to the power 5 upon under root x cube plus 8 into 3x minus 7 raised to the power 1 upon 3. If we use quotient tool, that will be too much length. How will we solve? If there is any question which is given in product form or exponent form of different expressions, so we may take log of both sides, that is log 5 is equal to 3 log x plus 1 plus 5 times log 2x square plus 3 minus 1 by 2 log x cube plus 8 minus 1 by 3 log 3x minus 7. We have converted the expression product into summation form, and that is easy to calculate differentiation of summation form. Now taking differentiation of both sides with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx, 3 upon d by dx of log x plus 1 will be x plus 1, and d by dx of x plus 1 plus 5 times 2x square plus 3 d by dx of 2x square plus 3 minus half 1 upon x cube plus 8 into d by dx of x cube plus 8 plus 5 over 2x, sorry, minus 1 by 3 here, minus 1 by 3, 1 upon 3x minus 7 into d by dx of 3x minus 7. What we get? D by dx of x plus 1 is 1 dx plus 5 upon 2x square plus 3 into 4x minus half 3x square upon x cube plus 8 minus 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 3x minus 7. Now we may write like this, and d by dx we make that by multiplying y times the whole, that is between 4. That's all. Thank you.